Welcome everyone. Today's video is not just another English lesson. This is your opportunity to finally transform the way you speak. Introduction: warm, calm, confident. Have you ever listened to a native English speaker and thought, why does their English sound so smooth, so natural? They don't sound rushed. They don't sound robotic. They sound relaxed, confident, and clear. Now here's the good news. You don't need to be born in the United States to speak like that. You don't need expensive classes or complicated rules. What you need is the right practice. Welcome to Timeless Tales English. Today, you're going to train your accent like a pro, using a graded reader approach that helps you speak English fluently, clearly, and confidently, step by step. So relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath. And let's begin. What this video will help you do. In this video, you will learn how to speak English with a natural American accent. Improve pronunciation and word stress. Sound confident, not nervous. Understand rhythm, pauses, and intonation. Think in English while speaking. Build fluency without fear. This is not fast English. This is clear English. And clear English is powerful English. How to use this video, important. Before we start, let me tell you how to use this video correctly. Listen first. Don't repeat immediately. Just listen. Repeat slowly. Pause the video and repeat out loud. Copy the sound, not the spelling. English is a sound-based language. Practice daily. Even 10 minutes a day can change your accent. Now, let's move step by step. Part 1. What is a strong American accent? A strong accent is not about sounding perfect. A strong accent means people understand you easily. Your speech flows naturally. You feel confident while speaking. American English is known for clear vowel sounds, relaxed consonants, strong word stress, smooth connections between words. And the secret is rhythm. Part 2. The rhythm of American English. American English has a beat, like music. Some words are strong. Some words are weak. Listen carefully. Backhand index pointing right, I want to learn English. Notice how want, learn, and English are stronger. Now repeat slowly. Pause. Repeat again. Good. Fluency comes from rhythm, not speed. Part 3. Slow speech is powerful speech. Many learners try to speak fast. That creates stress. Native speakers don't rush. They pause naturally. Listen. Backhand index pointing right, I'm learning English, because I want to speak confidently. Hear the pause. Now repeat. It's okay to pause. Pauses make you sound confident, not weak. Part 4. Mouth movement training. American English uses mouth movement more than many languages. Open your mouth slightly wider. Relax your lips. Let the sound come out naturally. Practice these sounds. Ah, as in father. E as in see. Ah, as in love. Repeat slowly. Your accent improves when your mouth moves correctly. Part 5. Connecting words, very important. Native speakers don't say words separately. They connect words. Listen. Backhand index pointing right, what are you doing? Sounds like, whatcha doing? Backhand index pointing right, I want to go. Sounds like, I want to go. This is natural American English. Now repeat slowly. Connection creates fluency. Part 6. Stress changes meaning. Word stress can change meaning. Listen. Backhand index pointing right, I didn't say he stole the money. Backhand index pointing right, I didn't say he stole the money. Backhand index pointing right, I didn't say he stole the money. Same sentence. Different meaning. American English uses stress to show emotion and meaning. Repeat each sentence carefully. Part 7. Think in English, not translate. Fluent speakers don't translate in their head. They think in simple English. Instead of crossmark, I am very much tired today. Say white heavy check mark, I'm really tired today. Short. Natural. American. Practice simple sentences. Part 8. Daily Life American English Story. Graded Reader. Now, let's practice with a simple story. Story, a normal day in the US. Hi, my name is Alex. I live in a small city in the United States. Every morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. I make coffee and check my phone. After breakfast, I get ready for work. I leave my apartment around 8:30. On the way to work, I listen to music or a podcast. It helps me relax. At work, I talk to my coworkers. We keep things friendly and simple. During lunch, I usually eat something light. Sometimes a sandwich. Sometimes a salad. After work, I go home. I cook dinner or order food. At night, I watch a show or read a book. Then I go to bed around 11 p.m. It's a simple life. But I enjoy it. Now pause. Repeat sentence by sentence. Focus on smooth flow, not perfection. Part 9. Confidence Training. Confidence is not about being perfect. Confidence is about continuing even when you make mistakes. Native speakers make mistakes too. They don't stop. Neither should you. Say this out loud. Backhand index pointing right, I am learning English, and I am improving every day. Say it again. Believe it. Part 10. Common American Expressions. Here are some natural American expressions. That sounds good. I'm not sure. No worries. I'll take care of it. Let me think about it. Repeat each one. These phrases make your English sound natural instantly. Part 11. Intonation Practice. American English goes up and down. Listen. Backhand index pointing right, really? Backhand index pointing right, that's amazing. Emotion matters. Now repeat with feeling. Flat voice sounds robotic. Intonation sounds human. Part 12. Mistakes are part of the process. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes mean you are trying. You are learning. You are growing. Every fluid speaker was once a beginner. You are on the right path. Part 13. Shadowing Practice, Pro Method. Shadowing means listen. Speak at the same time. Copy rhythm and tone. Try it now. Play a sentence. Speak with the speaker. This method is used by professionals. Part 14. Final Motivational Message. If you practice a little every day, your accent will change. Your confidence will grow. And one day, you'll realize you're not thinking about English anymore. You're just speaking. You did a great job today. Keep practicing with this graded reader. Listen. Repeat. Improve. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe to Timeless Tales English. Your English journey is just beginning. See you in the next lesson. Keep speaking. Keep growing. United States Sparkles.